My name is Alanna DiBiasi and I graduated from the Doctoral Physical Therapy program in 2015, and I currently work at McGuire Air Force Base as one of their physical therapists. So at McGuire we're treating people who are hurt in the line of duty, as well as just, anything that anybody else would be injured upon for physical therapy. So we're working more on orthopedic sports injuries, getting them back to doing what they need to do daily. I came to Widener because they had a 3+3 physical therapy program that I was really interested in. Every single one of my professors, you just know that they want to see us do well in life. They want to see us do well in school, they want to see us do well in the community, and every single connection they have provided for me, I actually ended up working really in all those connections later on down the road. I was telling one of my professors that I really wanted to pursue burn care and work with burn victims. So of course they had worked really hard to get me a clinic rotation at Crozier-Chester Medical Center, which has one of the top 10 burn centers in the country. I really learned how to do wound care, see how to progress people from a really low level. You're getting them back to walking again, you're seeing them talk again, so it was a really awesome experience that kind of changed my life. Widener University really did put me on the track and really helped me achieve all the goals I've ever had set up for myself.